Hey, me, Stink Odor Eliminator Store. I came across your pet urine store odor eliminator spray listing here and wanted to say congratulations on your 4.2 star rating. That said, my role is to help brands like yours identify missed growth opportunities, especially around increasing traffic and improving conversion. I'm Rolson from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll walk you through two key areas. First is traffic, and second is conversion. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about traffic and what brings customers into your listing, and that's all starts with your keywords. Using our keyword analysis tool here, I found that you only have 200 total keywords, but you don't have organic and as well as for paid keywords. So it means that this listing is likely inactive or out of stock, which causes Amazon to stop indexing the products altogether. Looking at the main listing here, it says currently unavailable. And so that's a massive missed opportunity. So usually when this happens, your listing essentially disappears from search results, and you will lose all keywords rankings. You will lose the visibility and as well as SEO momentum. Now, here why this is important. And looking at the top 50 for the keyword pet odor eliminator, actually there's over $31 million in total revenue. That's in 30 days only, and that's a massive demand signal, and it clearly shows how much traffic and revenue is available for your category. But right now your product is not capturing any of this demand. Now, to show you the opportunity, let's look at the competitor. This is with Roco and Rogue C Supply. All right. So they have over 11,800 total keywords. That's a lot. And as well as 7,000 of that are organic and 9,747 for paid keywords. And looking at the last 30 days alone, they have generated more than $2.4 million in monthly revenue. And they sold 84,000, more than 84,000 units. Wow. This clearly shows that traffic in your category is massive. So you're not just currently positioned to capture it yet, since your product isn't available, right? So once your product is back on stock, my Amazon guy can actually help you. We just need to focus on rebuilding your keyword, indexing and ranking those keyword both for organic, and as well we can add some PPC too to regain visibility as quickly as possible. Now, let's move on to conversion. What turns visitors into buyers, right? Starting with your image, you currently have only 6 images right here, and this is a good start, but you are not maximizing all available image slots. Adding more image allows you to better showcase your product. So I would suggest to add a lifestyle image, that clearly show a person using the product. Maybe there's a dog at the background as well. So this actually helps customers instantly relate to the use case and reinforces that the product is specifically designed, for pet related orders. Now, let's take a look here, and I see that you don't have video is also missing. So this is another opportunity. So this helps you to boost your engagement and conversion. Now let's take a look at your title. For title, you can uh, update it or add at least or up to 150 characters full of SEO keywords. And for your bullet points, good job at maximizing this one. I would suggest to add up to 250 to 500 characters, to boost your SEO as well. Don't forget to update it every 90 days, so because Amazon's algorithm always changes. Now, looking at your A plus content, so you're currently using a standard A plus content, which is already good. I see here that you got some crowable text here. Great job. And as let's see, what I can't see here is a product grid. and a brand story. Now, I would like to show you something here. This is one of our uh, client. This client have been with us for years, and we design their A plus content. We manage their account from A to Z. Look at their A plus content. This is what we call a premium A plus content. We got bigger pictures. We got all the details here as well. So great design too. They got videos here, and then this is the product grid, and then as well as their brand story. So these are powerful modules that help build brand presence, showcasing your product line and improve cross selling as well. These are additional products in their category, but so keeping the customers within the brand instead of clicking away. Let's take a look at your alt text. Let's see, for your alt text, I see that some you're indexed to as well, but some images are not. So you might want to add as alt text 2 for up to 100 characters per image. You may add misspellings or Spanish keywords just to boost your visibility and keywords as well. So those are just few insights from me. Now, if you book a call with us, with my Amazon guy, we can help you relaunch your product, rebuild keyword rankings, and optimize both traffic and conversion quickly and effectively. We are a full service Amazon agency managing 400 plus brands, handling everything from SEO, for PPC. We also got design your listing images or A plus content. We also do troubleshooting if, like, for example, you got problems with your catalog, your listing deactivation or account deactivation. We can help you with that. So if you're looking to get this um, your product or your listing back on track and scale it in a big way, would love to help. Thanks for your time, and have a great day. Goodbye.